Yeah, I know. It's a bit gorgeous. But what do you do if you don't happen to have easy access to a 14,000-foot snow-capped mountain? Well, you get creative and work with what you've got. This scene doesn't look too bad, nicely lit and different textures in the background, but it's actually a basement furnace room. Open stud-work on the ceiling, and behind the projector screen that I just propped in place on this side, and unfinished concrete over here and on the floor. So what does this tell you? Well, for one thing, there are tools you can use to improve even the dingiest location. But more importantly, it tells you that what you say matters way more than where you say it. So don't get hung up on finding the most dramatic or spectacular location. Focus on your message, because ultimately, it's the words that count.